Hey y'all, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Happy New Year. This is my first video of the year. Sorry about that. So today we're going to be making, well, let me tell you a story. Last weekend, Tony and me and my friends went and celebrated their anniversary. And we went to a place in Mount Pleasant on Shim Creek called Saltwater Cowboys. And Richard ordered deep fried pickled okra. I had never heard of it. I've had a deep fried okra, but never the pickled okra. So I decided to make it today. So I've got 2 jars. These are 16-ounce jars of, they come in mild and hot. I can't do the spicy, so the mild okra. And right now I've got my deep fryer preheating to 350. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to drain these and cut these in half long ways. But I'm going to save a half a cup of this juice. And I'll show you why. So let me get these cut up and I'll bring you right back. Alright, I've cut these in half. And I reserved half a cup of the liquid. The pickle liquid. And I want to add an egg to it. Nice eggshell. Oops. With this in here with the pickle juice. Alright, in here I'm going to add a cup of cornmeal. If I can get it open. Now I am using yellow cornmeal, it doesn't matter. And this is cornmeal mix. Backwards. And a half a cup of flour. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. And a full teaspoon of garlic powder. Yep. I hope everybody had a great Christmas and a great New Year. We had a really good Christmas, I must say. Alright. This is ready. It says it's ready. Let me get this right. My dredging station's off limits, out of whack. How long am I going to cook those? Not very long. Tony likes okra, but he does not like pickled okra. He doesn't like anything pickled. I just changed the oil in this. Alright, this is not ready. Hold on. I'll be back. Sorry about that. I thought I had turned it up, but I didn't, and it was saying ready, and it was ready for like 100 degrees. Yeah, there we go. I just burnt myself, that hurt. Me and Tony have started doing something, and we've almost been doing it every weekend. We had to take this weekend off. We have been doing escape rooms, and we are absolutely addicted to them. We have so much fun. We've been going with a couple of friends of ours, and they love it. We finally escaped last weekend, but we had a lot of technical difficulties, so we get to go back. We're 50% off, so we're going to go next weekend. We did one with dinosaurs this past weekend. It was okay, but like I said, we had a lot of technical difficulties. And you only want to cook these for like 1 or 2 minutes. But, you know, I love pickled okra, me and my sister especially. And whenever Richard ordered that, we were surprised, and we really liked him, and I told him I wanted to try and do them. And all we did was they served it with ranch. Was the only difference. Alright, whenever I get these out, I'll bring you back. I'll sit here and wait. Be right back. Alright, I'm getting the last batch out. These are really good. This is our deep fried pickled okra. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video about, say, vehicle. Goodness gracious. Leave me a comment, give me a big thumbs up, and share this out on your social media. Y'all have a good one. Alright, everything's ready. Bye.